Everyone, today in this video I will give you the complete review of Pixel Experience GSI Android 9 based GSI Rom. So if you're new to my channel, then I suggest you subscribe my channel because this kind of videos I daily upload. So let's start the video. First of all, I will show you the Android version of this ROM and then other features. Just 1 minute. And now we have to go about phone, and we have to go Android version. You can see the Android version is 9, and this security patch level is 1 August 9. And now I will show you the hotspot of this ROM. Hotspot is working or not. Sorry, 1 minute. You can see this hotspot is working perfectly in this ROM, and mobile data is also working perfectly, and the battery life of this ROM is excellent. You can battery life of this ROM is also excellent, and the screen on time basically is 9 to 10 hours if you are a heavy user, and the gaming of this ROM is also good, not excellent but good. And the